If you can program your favorite TV shows to record, you can program the wand for your motorized shade. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is. In this short video, we're going to discuss the initial setup and use of your wand, adjusting the lower and upper limits, and programming a favorite position. You can always consult your shade's installation instructions as needed for additional reference. Do not attempt to lower or raise your motorized shade manually. Doing so can permanently damage the motor and other components in the headrail. Your shade will come from the factory ready to use once the motor is activated. Plug your battery charger into the closest power outlet to your window. Then, insert the charger cable into the micro USB port on the motor head. You'll see a green light illuminate, which indicates that your shade is no longer in sleep mode and is ready to use. To operate your shade, grab the handle at the bottom of the wand and quickly pull it to move your shade up or down. Pull it again to stop the shade's movement. Pull one more time to send the shade in the opposite direction. Your shade arrives with upper and lower limits already programmed. However, you may choose to adjust these settings for your own convenience. First, you'll need to delete the currently programmed limits. Press and hold the program button on the front of the motor head for approximately 8 to 10 seconds. After a few seconds, the shade will jog once. Continue to hold until the shade jogs one more time, which confirms that both limits are deleted. Pull and hold the wand to lower the shade until it is close to the desired lower limit, then release the wand. Adjust the shade incrementally as needed. When you're ready to save the lower limit, press and hold the program button until the shade jogs to confirm. Pull and hold the wand to raise the shade until it is close to the desired upper limit, then release the wand. Adjust the position of the shade as needed. To save the upper limit, press and hold the program button until the shade jogs to confirm. Test that your limit settings have been saved properly by allowing the shade to fully rise and lower until it stops on its own. You may also choose to program a favorite position for your shade, but it is not required. Raise or lower the shade to the position that you'd like to save as your favorite. When you're ready to save this to your motor, pull and hold the wand for about 5 to 7 seconds until the shade jogs to confirm. Now, whenever the shade is not in motion, simply pull and hold the wand for about 3 to 5 seconds until the shade moves directly to your favorite position. If you want to delete your favorite setting, move the shade to this position and then pull and hold the wand for about 5 to 7 seconds. When the shade jogs, your favorite position is erased. You did it! You now know how to operate and program your motorized shade. If you have any questions or need more help programming your shade, refer to the installation instructions on our website or just give us a call. We're here to help.